Iphini likaMengameli wezwe uDavid Mabuza lithi kumele kubunjwane ukuze kunqotshwe lolu bhubhane lwesifo.
Without doubt, the untimely passing of Minister Mthembu is a loss not only to his family, but an unforeseen grief shared by many from diverse political formations and ideological orientations, more especially to those who admired his humanity.
uNgqongqoshe wezobulungiswa uRonald Lamula uthi uMthembu behlale njalo efuna kwenza ubulungiswa ezintweni ezithinta ukuhlinzekwa kwabantu ngesidingo.
And disunity. The community of Emalahleni, in their own volition, through the guard of honor, demonstrated during his funeral yesterday that he was a leader of the people. I believe the community of Wanyamazan, where he also used to live, could have done the same. Velas, your legacy will speak for itself for years to come.
Oyiliphini likaNgqongqoshe wezemali uMondli Gungubele uthi uMthembu wabamba elikhulu iqhaza emzamweni yokuxazulula izinkinga ezibhekene neSABC.
And it states and it appeared that a lot of work and interventions had to take place. I remember Comrade Jackson giving us orders, I think I was with Comrade Tolashe and other comrades, that for the sake of a reputable and a clean government, for the sake of the credibility of the philosophy of the governing party, he is instructing us to go there and actually stand and be the ambassadors of those principles.
uNgqongqoshe wezisebenzi zikahulumeni nokuphathwa kwazo usenzo Mchunu yena uthi uMthembu wayengalokothi inhlobo aphuthe emhlanganweni kahulumeni ebakhathalela futhi nabantu.
Fostered the environment for dialogue and provided great understanding to all members of the NGC as to what our roles were as a collective and as individuals, while advocating good governance, transparency and accountability.
uNgqongqoshe wezobudlelwano namazwe omhlaba uDokotela uNaledi Pandor uthi lizosala lindekenteke ekhabhinethi likahulumeni njengoba engasekho nje uMthembu kulona.
A fresh breath of life for all is gone. His nature was one of optimism, courage, and sincere enterprise. In the NA chamber or NEC meeting venues.
uJackson imphiko Mthembu ubekwe endlini yakhe yokugcina eAkhaville eMalahleni izolo lala Mvelase.